Traveling in style doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. In fact, with the right strategies, it's possible to enjoy luxurious experiences without breaking the bank. Whether you're seeking 5-star hotels, gourmet meals, first-class flights, or exclusive experiences, this guide will show you how to travel luxuriously on a budget. Let's dive in. 1. Choose the right destinations. The first step to luxury travel on a budget is choosing the right destination. Luxury is often more accessible in certain countries and cities than others. While Paris or New York City might be synonymous with luxury, they also come with a high cost of living. Instead, look for destinations where the exchange rate works in your favor or where luxury is more affordable. For example, countries like Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Mexico offer an abundance of luxury experiences at a fraction of the price you'd pay in major European or North American cities. Luxury hotels, resorts, and even high-end restaurants can be found at more budget-friendly rates in these destinations. 2. Travel during off-peak seasons. Timing is everything when it comes to scoring luxurious travel experiences on a budget. Traveling during the off-peak season is one of the easiest ways to save money. Popular tourist spots tend to lower their prices during off-peak months due to reduced demand. For example, if you're planning to visit the Mediterranean, consider going in late spring or early autumn, when the weather is still pleasant but the crowds and prices have dropped. For tropical destinations, consider traveling during the rainy season when the resorts lower their prices, but the weather may still offer plenty of sunshine with only brief showers. Traveling during off-peak seasons also means you'll be able to enjoy popular sites and attractions without the crowds, giving you a more exclusive and luxurious experience. 3. Use reward points and miles. One of the most effective ways to enjoy luxury travel on a budget is by leveraging rewards programs. Airlines, hotel chains, and credit card companies offer reward points or miles that can be redeemed for free or discounted flights, hotel stays, and even upgrades to premium services. Sign up for travel credit cards that offer sign-up bonuses and accumulate points with every purchase. Some cards offer large bonus point incentives just for meeting a minimum spending requirement, which can be used for future travel. Additionally, many hotel loyalty programs offer free nights, room upgrades, and other perks. For example, Marriott Bonvoy, Hilton Honors, and World of Hyatt have reward programs that provide value on both standard and luxury accommodations. When booking flights, use frequent flyer miles to book a business class or first class ticket for the price of an economy ticket. Some credit cards offer travel partners that allow you to transfer your points to airline loyalty programs for even greater value. Make sure to redeem your miles during promotions, as airlines frequently offer sales that allow you to use fewer points. 4. Book luxury hotels with deals and discounts. Luxury hotels don't have to come with sky-high prices. To experience high-end accommodations on a budget, you need to know when and how to book. First, use hotel booking websites like Booking.com, Expedia, or Hotels.com, which often offer discounts, free cancellations, or added perks like breakfast, room upgrades, or early check-ins. Set price alerts for your travel dates, so you can track when the price drops on your chosen luxury hotel. Alternatively, book directly with the hotel. Many luxury hotels offer best price guarantees, meaning you can secure the lowest price by booking through their official website. Sign up for their loyalty programs, as many offer member-only discounts, exclusive perks, and upgrades. Also, keep an eye on flash sale websites like Secret Escapes, Jetsetter, or Travelzoo. These sites feature discounted rates for luxury hotels and resorts, sometimes as much as 50% off, but you need to book quickly, as the deals often sell out fast. 5. Embrace Airbnb luxury options. Airbnb is not just about budget-friendly stays. It also offers luxurious properties at a fraction of the cost of traditional 5-star hotels. You can find stunning penthouses, beachfront villas, and historic castles that come with luxury amenities like private pools, hot tubs, and in-house chefs. The key is to look for properties that are new or haven't received many reviews yet, as these tend to offer competitive prices. Be flexible with your check-in and check-out dates to maximize savings, and don't be afraid to reach out to hosts directly to inquire about special deals or discounts. Some Airbnb properties even offer concierge services or private tours, which can further enhance your luxurious experience. By booking an upscale property on Airbnb, you'll also have more space and privacy, making it a great option for those seeking a more intimate and exclusive stay. 6. Indulge in luxury experiences at a discount. Luxury isn't just about where you sleep, it's about the experiences you enjoy. Luckily, many luxury experiences are available at a fraction of the cost when booked wisely. To start, look for discounted or free activities in your destination. Websites like Viator, Get Your Guide, and Groupon feature discounted tours, spa treatments, and experiences that often include luxury options. These sites offer everything from private yacht charters and helicopter tours to wine tastings at top-tier vineyards, all at prices that are often 50% off or more. Additionally, try booking luxury experiences through concierge services or travel agents who can offer exclusive packages or VIP access to events. Many services allow you to skip the lines or avoid high ticket prices for special experiences like Broadway shows, museum tours, or exclusive beach clubs. Many luxury resorts, hotels, and tour operators offer all-inclusive packages that cover meals, excursions, and amenities for one fixed price. By choosing an all-inclusive deal, you can enjoy high-end meals, access to exclusive activities, and spa treatments without worrying about additional costs adding up. To save even more, look for packages during off-season travel periods when prices are generally lower. This can provide the perfect opportunity to experience a luxurious vacation at a fraction of the cost. Conclusion: traveling luxuriously on a budget isn't about depriving yourself of the experiences you love. Instead, it's about being strategic, doing your research, and making smart choices about where, when, and how you travel. By using the tips outlined here, whether it's choosing affordable luxury destinations, booking off-peak, using rewards points, or finding discounts on experiences, you can enjoy world-class vacations without the exorbitant price tag. So, start planning your next dream trip today, luxuriously and affordably.